Hello guys, welcome to this channel and I'm going to show you how create a new project with Rails and the version 5.2.8.1. Let's see what is the version of Ruby. Let's write Ruby B and see that the Ruby version is 2.7. Okay, let's create a Rails new store. The name. Okay, and let's see who is the compiler is creating a project and fetching game data, metadata. Let's see where is the stores and access to stores, cd store. Okay, and run bundle install. Okay, sorry for last. Okay, requires version resolving dependencies. Rails db create. Okay, let's create Rails db create bundle install. Okay, let's copy that to get. Let's using the AI, in this case Gemini. Okay, let's give Fifi. Okay, Fifi. If isn't this, let's add it. Let's add. Okay, this case. Okay, back to terminal and no. Here again. Okay, after installation. Okay, bundler continue this game. Okay, let's see who is this hero. Okay, bundle update. Okay, now start apt. Okay, don't really remember install or uninstall some versions. Okay, wait. Yes. Okay. Okay, now let's run Rails is s. Just localhost is done. Now we are installed Rails version 5.2.8.0. Thank you for all the video.